Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are thinking about starting your own online store, I have got some good news for you. Today I am sharing how you can get a Shopify coupon code or a special limited time offer to launch your store for less money. So if you want to save while building your business, stick around, just stay with me. So first of all, we are going to talk about how Shopify deals work. So actually, Shopify does not always have traditional coupon codes like some stores do. Instead, they often run exclusive offer like extended free trials or special discounts on your first few months. For example, sometimes you will see deals like 3 days plus free like this one. Here, let me give you the result over this one. So let's come back to the setting and then just click to the plan and then click to the choose plan, and here actually you can see they're giving an exclusive offer like extended free trials or special discounts on your first few months. For example, you will see deals like 3 days free. Here we are getting 3 days free trial plus 3 months for just $1 per month. Here you can see this one. This is an unlimited plan. Then these deals are perfect for first-time sellers who want to test Shopify and save money while setting up. Then how you can climb it. So how it is super easy. You just need to go to the shopify.com or use the special link in this video's description. Then you just need to click the start free trial. Shopify will automatically apply the latest deal available in your region. Then you just need to create your store name and sign up. No need to enter a separate coupon code. Once you are in, you will see the trial and discount applied to your account. Let me give you a pro tip, that is always double check the term. Some deals are time limited, so don't wait too long. Then you just need to be start for less and grow. Or actually you can see, because you can build your store, list your product, design your page, test everything out all before paying full price. It is a great way to get your business off the ground with low upfront cost, so you can spend more on products, ads or marketing instead. If you are serious about launching your store this year, don't miss out. Grab the deal, build your dream store and start selling. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money saving e-commerce tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Good luck. I will see you in the next one.